Wanna send a request. Send a request. Chat, wanna send a request. Chat, send a request, send a request. If you email him, send a request.
Hi.
Hello, good night. Turn on your camera from your pum pum tight. Turn on the camera.
Oh, he said turn on the camera.
Yeah, turn on the camera from your pum pum tight.
Okay. How
You take too long. Come like sitting around with your pum pum. Cause I know you can't find the turn on button. Come down. Chat. Chat. The female them. You see when you send the request them, the moment I accept turn on the camera. Turn on the camera, please. Please may I ask turn on the camera, chat. Hello? Hello?
Why make you shave about your eyebrows so? You not hear me?
Chat, wanna send a request. Chat, send a request.
Girl, I wish from the check for a man.
Now hear you. Your background sound nice. Which bar you work? Sound like a bar you there. Turn down the music. Turn down the music and turn on your camera. Chat, wanna send a request and turn on the camera.
Hi.
Yeah, Lexi, good night. Lexi, turn on your camera, please.
Hello.
Missy say you have a nice little baby for your DP pic. If you don't have nothing to do, why make you not go feed the baby and give baby titty? Why you send me request and not say nothing? And then people are going to say me a this no? Eh? Why you not going to give the baby titty? You come here and send request and I accept you and you not say nothing. Chat, power taps. Chat, power taps. Hello? Hello? Turn on your camera. Turn on your camera, pretty. Yeah, pretty, turn on your camera.
I'm asking if you have.
Hello?
girl.
Listen me out. If you no know you can't turn on the camera, you don't send a request around you. Yeah, no disrespect. I need you to turn on the camera so I can sue you. Yeah, you turn on the camera. Alicia. You need a new ring light. No, for true, cause every minute the something drop down. Yeah, I don't know what I see. Eh? No, somebody realize me need a new ring light. The female them, uno turn on the camera.